Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the top 5 gaming power supplies for 2024. A reliable power supply unit or PCU is crucial for building a stable and efficient PC. So let's explore the best and latest options available this year to power your system reliably and efficiently. The first PCU on our list is the CORSAIR RMx SHIFT 1000 watt. Released in 2024, offers 80 plus gold certification, providing high efficiency and robust power delivery. Features a side-mounted connectors for easier cable management, modular power cables, and quiet and efficient cooling fan. Ideal for high performance and gaming builds. The side-mounted connectors offers a unique solution for easier and cleaner setups. Next up we have the Seasonic VERTEX PX-1200. The Seasonic VERTEX PX-1200 launched in 2024 offers 1200 watts of power with 80 plus platinum certification, ensuring top tier efficiency and performance. Fully modular design, advanced fan control with hybrid silent mode, and premium capacitors for durability. It's perfect for extreme performance builds offering high efficiency, reliability, and quiet operation. Next up is the Asus ROG Thor 1000 watt Platinum 2. Released in 2024, the Asus ROG Thor 1000 watt Platinum 2 offers 1000 watts of power with 80 plus platinum certification, designed for gamers and enthusiasts. Features a OLED power display, Aurora Sync RGB lighting, fully modular cable, and 135mm axial tech fan. Known for its premium features and build quality, ideal for high-end gaming setups. Next up we have the Cooler Master V Platinum 1050 watt, the 2024 edition. The V Platinum 1050 watt PCU, updated in 2024, offers 80 plus platinum efficiency, delivering reliable power and high performance. It features fully modular cables, a quiet 135mm fan, and a high quality components. Its excellent performance and value is suitable for both gaming and powerful setups. Last but not least, we have the Be Quiet Dark Power Pro 1200 watt power supply. The Dark Power Pro 12, released in 2024, provides 1200 watts of power with 80 plus titanium certification, focusing on maximum efficiency and silent operation. Fully modular design, silent being 3 fan, and digital control for enhanced performance. It's a great top choice for enthusiasts and professionals seeking the highest efficiency and reliability. Well, in conclusion, these are the top 5 power supplies 2024 that offer a range of options to suit your different needs, budget, and many more. Well, that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And so don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time. Bye.